Today I'm going to take a look at a 1997 Saturn SC2 at the throttle body, and I'll show you what the throttle body looks like. There are two electrical connections. The front yellow is the throttle position sensor, which is attached by a clip, so you just need to remove that. And behind that is the blue, and that's the idle air control valve, which you will need to remove also by a clip. You will need a 10mm socket. This bolt is also 10mm. There are two bolts that are securing the throttle body. Now you can remove the bracket. Good, and you? Hey guys, this is probably the hardest part, is taking this cable out. What you need to do is you need to push down on this, and then you're gonna see how this moves. Okay, you're gonna push down on here, and it connects in there. So at the end of the metal wire, you'll see a metal thing that slips. It slides into that little space, and that's how it connects. You gotta take it out of there. So you loosen the wire. It's starting to come out. There. Got it. There it is. Okay, so we got a stubborn bolt. That bolt in there can't get off, so I'm going to try some of this lubricating oil. Liquid wrench, lubricating oil. I'm going to spray it, soak it, and then let it sit for a while. It's that bolt. You can see it right in there. As you can see, I sprayed it a little bit already, but I'm going to spray it some more. So there's always one bolt that's difficult whenever we do stuff like this, so see what happens. So still can't get that bolt off, so we're going to go to method number 2. I'm going to put a steel pipe over the handle of the ratchet. This way you get some leverage. And there goes that bolt. There's one more bolt down here. This is also 10mm. right in there. That needs to come off. So here's the, look at that. Put the carbon on there. It's okay on that side, but look at on the back. That is really bad, so I'm gonna have to clean that out. Oh, we got it out. Oh, see all this carbon. Now we're going to soak the inside with brake cleaner, and that'll remove all the carbon. So, looks pretty clean. I don't know if you can see it. Now I'm going to install a new idle air control valve. Started right up? Yeah, it's idling pretty good. Yeah. No check engine lights on, so I did all the connections right.